Sending money to the UAE just got simpler, so let's dive into how to send money from Worldremit directly to a Uae bank account. First things first, log into your Worldremit account via the app or website if you're new. Sign up. Then, select your sending and receiving countries. The UAE will be your recipient. Enter how much you're sending. Now, choose the to country Y Euro, the United Arab Emirates. Then, select bank transfer as the delivery method. The most critical step, your recipient's bank details. You'll need their bank name, account number, and their full name exactly as it appears on their bank statement. Double check everything. Review the breakdown before sending. Worldremit shows fees, the exchange rate, and the total in UAE dirhams. Your recipient gets checked the details carefully. Choose your payment method. Worldremit accepts options like credit card, debit card, or a direct bank transfer from your bank. After paying, expect a confirmation screen with a transaction number. The money typically arrives in a few business days, and Worldremit updates you. Congratulations, money sent to the UAE. #WorldRemitUAE #bank transfer.